Good morning, y'all. It's the morning of day 6, and today is our first of 2 consecutive sea days. Time for dinner this evening. Tonight we're at Canaletto, which is the Italian restaurant, and it also happens to be basically in the buffet. The buffet is right over there, and I will be right here. Canaletto. Somehow we've only got 1 day left. These journeys always go by way too quickly, but I'm excited because tonight I'm at Canaletto, which is the Italian restaurant here on board, and they've got things set up a little bit interestingly. I've only been on this Holland ship as well as the Canaletto, but both of them, the Italian restaurants, basically carved out of the buffet. Now I'll say, got some beautiful ocean views as they do across pretty much the entire ship. And I guess right now, maybe not an ocean view, this is the St. Lawrence Gulf. So for my small plates, aka my appetizers, I got the burrata and a Canaletto salad coming. The house-made pastas, I'm gonna be honest, none of them really jumped out to me. It's a lot of fish and I don't know. The meats didn't really jump out to me either. I don't know, in my mind I was thinking Italian. Again, that's some good pasta. They didn't really have many pasta options, but I got the Italian sausage pacheri, however you say that. And then I got some cheesecake and gelato coming for dessert. So it's gonna be a good dinner. Good news, I'm only home for about a week and a half before we set off on our next journey. So I don't have long. Even better, the next one is Mackenzie and I. So we get 2 weeks together on that cruise, and I'm looking forward to it. We're doing a Viking Ocean, first time on that cruise line, flying into Iceland, circumnavigating Iceland, and making our way to the Norwegian fjords. So for us, that's like 2 bucket list itineraries in one. Tonight, Canaletto, some great Italian food coming right up. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. Start things with the burrata, nice ball of cheese. It's a little bit light in the balsamic, but I'll make sure I get plenty on there. Nice texture. It's not too runny or anything like sometimes you see a burrata. Nice flavor. I do wish there was more balsamic, but I'm definitely going to enjoy it. That's very good. We got the Canaletto salad. Figured it's like the namesake of the restaurant. It's got to be good, right? Just a big bed of lettuce with some balsamic. So let's see how it is. Good blend of flavors. I go very good on that. The problem is going to be it's really skimpy on the cheese and the walnuts. So when I run out of those, it's basically just a big bed of lettuce and balsamic. The entree is right. This is the Italian sausage pacheri. It's basically a thick noodle, cheese, Italian sausage. You see how it is. I'm not crazy about sauces that have Italian sausage. Sauces that have Italian sausage. So not crazy about that. It's okay, but again, the menu was surprisingly light for an Italian restaurant on pasta options, so we didn't have many options, but I'm gonna go the fare on this. I'll enjoy a little bit of it, but not too much. This is the baked ricotta cheesecake. It's very lemony as the name of the pie. Pretty good though. I'll enjoy it. Try not all of it, but it's all really very good on this. Dinner is in the books in Canaletto. I'll be honest, didn't love it. The menu, nothing really stuck out to me. Food I had wasn't all that great. So that's probably not a spot that I would worry about doing again, but you know what? It wasn't terrible, and if you really like Italian food, you may like it. But for me, I would have preferred more pasta dishes, which they surprisingly didn't have many at all. Make my way across the pool deck. See, it looks like they're cleaning up or doing, I don't know exactly what they're doing. They're doing something out here, but it is quiet. Third time making my way across here today. The first time was at 8 a.m. and it was empty. At lunchtime, it was packed. And now it's back to nice and quiet. So, make my way down to deck 2 to the world stage. For tonight's show, it is the final production show. And I think this one's called Sing. So, here we go. You see the sign there welcoming us to the world stage. And the show tonight, I believe it's called Sing. So I'm assuming it's not just dancing, but there should be actual singing. So, make my way over here. Just because it usually seems to be a little bit quicker to make your way down to the left side, less people.
You guys really dress up. I love that. Congratulations to you all. Love getting to know you over the course of this week.
It doesn't matter if it takes all off. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. Dancing in the dark. Yeah. I believe that I can find you. I believe that I can find you. I really wanted to see you laughing in the rain.
Good morning. It is day 7. That's the final day of this journey as we make our way toward Quebec City. And well, I'm grabbing myself a lunch here. Little my place, gonna get my hands washed over here, and then grab myself something to eat. Ready I am. Let's go. Well, y'all, for one final time, it's one final show here at the World Theater, or the World Stage, rather. Tonight, it is Breton Thunder, the Celtic band I've enjoyed all week. We're back to do one final show, so I'm looking forward to this. They've been great all week, and I know tonight they're going to finish on a high note, so I can't wait.
Yes, I will walk 500 miles and I will walk 500 more. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, and that's fine by me. One more time for Breton Thunder!
Well, y'all, just like that, 7 days on Holland America Zuiderdam is a wrap, and well, now all that's left to do is get off this gorgeous ship. So that's what I'm about to do, because well, they're kicking me off. So if you're ready, I am. Let's go. Let's do this thing. Got my bags packed up, ready to go. Let's do this. The tricky part, always get the door open.
Thank you.
Till next time.
Until next time, safe travels.
Cheers, man. Goodbye. Thank you.